So the G2-22 range is basically our industrial workhorse compressor, the type of compressor that you would offer to a small to medium enterprise. Generally it can be from any industry. It can go from food and beverage right through to panel beaters, right through to a laser cutting company. So it's quite a diverse, quite a versatile product, designed for maximum uptime and the highest quality. The efficiency, it is more efficient than the other products in the market, roughly around 3 to 5% more efficient in energy consumption. The G2-22 range basically is described as the tank mounted 2 kilowatt up to 22 kilowatt oil injected screw compressor. With these products we can have built-in dryers, obviously to maintain your air quality, keep the air dry so it doesn't condense down the line. We can integrate filtration into that. We can also integrate condensate management to make sure that you're being environmentally friendly and removing any oil from the condensate going down the drain.